Hey everybody, welcome back to Live Free and Tool On. My name is Brent and Merry Christmas. We are almost there. It is the 21st of December. We have so much to be thankful for, but one of the things that I'm struggling with right now is that I have not been able to prepare at all for Christmas. It's been a pretty rough month. And one of the big things that my family does is that we get a tree and we love to decorate it. We have not been able to get a tree. I went out and I really couldn't find a tree, so today I have 10 acres. We're going to take the tractor out. We're going to go find a tree. Hopefully we actually get a tree. We're going to cut it down. We're going to put it into the living room. So it's going to be one of the greatest Christmases ever if I find a tree. Stick around. Let's go. It's, let's see if y'all can see me. It's right around 15 degrees. It's not too bad here in the woods, but we got to find something. I have 7 kids. They're small. They're depending on this, so we got to make something happen. All right, so check it out. I think I found the tree. This one right here. It's about 12 feet tall. It's not that full, but I don't have that many options through here. So
put the topper on.
Alright everybody, so here it is. I know it looks like a giant Charlie Brown tree, and maybe it is, but we got it from our land, which I'm super proud of. My kids decorated it, my wife did the lights. She thinks it's a tree kind of like from the 40s or 50s, which I agree with this tree. We're going to make some really good memories this year. I hope that everyone has a very Merry Christmas. God bless everybody. I really hope that 2022 was good for you, and I hope 2023 is even better. Take care, everybody. I really hope to see you next year and in the next video.